What is up guys, my name is Chase and I have been using my 10th generation iPad for a few weeks now. So far I've been really enjoying it. I think the updated liquid retina display is really cool. The new design of this iPad finally feels very modern. But this particular video is about a certain feature with the iPad that is very controversial. The 10th generation iPad only works with the Apple Pencil 1st generation. In fact, right now the baseline iPad is the only iPad that still uses the 1st generation Apple Pencil. But Houston, we have a problem. The 1st generation Apple Pencil connects to the iPad using Lightning. And this new 10th generation iPad does not have a Lightning port. It has a USB-C port. So SpaghettiOs, what do we do? Well, Apple has us covered, ? Because they have a USB-C to Apple Pencil adapter. Luckily, this adapter will now be included with any new 1st generation Apple Pencils. But if you already own an Apple Pencil 1st generation, or if you're like me and you bought a used one off of eBay, you have to get this adapter. And for whatever reason, Apple has made it like impossible to get this adapter. They don't sell it at Best Buy, they don't sell it at Target, you can only get it from the Apple Store. But as of this recording, the shipments for this adapter have been delayed by like a few weeks now. I believe it took me like 2 or 3 weeks to get this adapter. So I don't know, this has just been a big confusing mess, not gonna lie. Let's finally open this thing. Ta-da, there it is. I wish they at least gave me like a sorry note or something. With every one of these USB-C to Apple Pencil adapters, they should include a sorry note. I mean, heck, at least give us Apple stickers, come on. In any case, this is what I paid $9 for and waited 2 to 3 weeks for shipping. It actually shows you here which side is the Apple Pencil and which side is the USB-C, which is nice. Now, before we get to that, I do just want to warn you guys out there. If you guys do have the 10th generation iPad, I don't know if you've already tried this already, but if you're like me and you wondered if you could actually use a normal Apple Pencil to Lightning adapter and then plug in the Lightning adapter to here and use a Lightning to USB-C cable to plug it into the iPad. I don't know if any of that made sense, but long story short, it doesn't work. I was so sad to find out that it didn't work and that I had to buy this particular Apple adapter. So just a warning to everyone, if you want to use the 1st generation Apple Pencil with your 10th generation iPad, just don't even bother trying to find a different solution, just get the Apple one. Like, I don't know. Apparently you have to use the Apple one. Well, now I'm upset. Okay, let's get this thing open. There it is. Oh my goodness. It is actually a very long and slim adapter. And now the moment I have been waiting weeks for. Let's finally pair this Apple Pencil to my iPad. So the Apple Pencil plugs into there. We take a USB-C to USB-C cable here. Plug one side into the adapter. Other side goes into our iPad. Oh, there we go. Bluetooth pairing request, pair. So finally I can use my Apple Pencil with this iPad. Yay, there we go. Look at me go. Well, thank goodness I can finally draw on my iPad. ChaseYama was here. ChaseYama was here. But hey, it works at least. When you put your palm down on the iPad, it doesn't like register it and you can still use the Apple Pencil to draw, which is like really cool. I bought a whole gosh dang darn adapter just to do this. And ideally, I don't even think we need this adapter anymore. I think you literally just need it to pair it to the iPad. Like, I want to see what happens if we plug in the Apple Pencil to a regular Lightning cable. Okay, yeah, so it's charging with the regular, like, Lightning adapter. So in other words, it's so silly. You just need this little adapter to pair it to the iPad. That's so silly, I'm not gonna lie. Listen, like, I love Apple products, but this is so silly. It's also worth noting that since the 10th generation iPad is the only iPad that is compatible with the 1st generation Apple Pencil, you can only use this adapter with the 10th generation iPad. You cannot connect a 1st generation Apple Pencil with the iPad minis or the iPad Pros or the iPad Air, which I think makes this adapter even more silly. I don't know, as your resident Apple fanboy, I can pretty confidently say that this is a very silly design. In any case, guys, thank you so much for watching this little video. If you want to see my unboxing of this 10th generation iPad, feel free to check it out below. For now, thank you so much for watching. My name is Chase and I will see you guys again soon. Bye.